save or save as, because it's a new copy, so both are correct. Okay, if you are using existing copy, then you can save as. So I just say save as. I can say average temperature. Average temperature. Already have so many. So let's say average temperature 1. Just save this copy. Once it is saved, tools, OP configuration. This is also important. OP configuration. They say OP3 does not exist, because the new copy they will give you this message. If you are using existing, they will not give you any error. This is the first time they will have this option. Select assign new file. I say okay. By default is this directory OP generation open. Okay. Tree. Wait. Yes. Tree. Generate. If you close, it will ask you for save. Otherwise, you can just say file, save. Then it will not ask you. It's the same thing like Microsoft. You are working. Very simple. Once you save this one, they say the program ID excite file has been changed, because the new copy they will give you this issue. It's not an error. It's just an indication. Okay. So this is the program ID. So this is done. Okay. So what we need to do, we have to attach this file into our Menta. So I just say right click, properties, Menta file, select the location, average temperature where we have saved, select this one. Once it is there, if you just refresh this thing, okay, you can see your new application is average temperature 2. So you have temperature 1, temperature 2. Okay. There's one more thing I want to tell, because we have to see the average temperature also. Okay, now it's just showing only temperature 1 and temperature 2. So in Menta, okay, there's one more options is available, because in Menta we have so many blocks. Sometimes we have OR gate, sometimes we have AND gate. Okay, if you want to display that condition, if you double click, they call as a public. If you put public and check box here, select public and then write the name. Because if it is not public, it will not ask you, because now what I want to do, I want to display this average value at the workstation. So those analog input automatically public here. If nobody asks why this is public, what is this backup, okay, anyways. This public means you want to view this reading to a workstation. So this is not tick here, I put this public here. Once I say public, you say what name you want to view it from workstation. This must have a name. If no public, how to display this reading at a workstation? So I just name as this one average temperature, correct? Again, tool, OP configuration, tree, will, yes, tree, generate, close this one, save, file, save. I close this one, I went again to workstation, I say right click, properties, Menta file here, select my file, average temperature, same file, but it is modified file, okay. Once I did this one, you can just, you see, if you refresh and press F5, the average temperature is here. It means those block, if you want to view it from here, for example, okay, day-to-day basis, like set point, you want to change your set point, okay, sometime maybe 21, sometime 22 degree, every time I need to download. This is not so okay intelligent. What does it mean? Every time I need to download my controller, how many times if I need to change controller? So normally we make it public, then we can just change from workstation. So the average temperature is here, temperature 1, temperature 2 is also there. Correct? Then you should have a reading. You can just right click. I don't know if you can download or not, because some modules I have just key in now. It will give me some errors. Let's try. So to view it normally, I just say right click, view value, click here. my module is not there. Okay, let's try the module. Yes sir, can you press neuron ID, because maybe neuron ID is different. 421A at and that third location here below there. The sensor is connected, physical sensor. Physical sensor. Okay, got it. So let's try one more time. This module I think is a faulty one. For those blinking, yeah, this is only also having some problem. You change with another photo only. Defined profiles are there. Okay, what this means? Profiles means in software I also have an option. For example, if I say T1 temperature, T1 2 temperature, I can select any one. For example, if I have to do electricity for last 24 hours, if I select this trade log option, it will automatically calculate the electricity. If I select water per 24 hours, it will select this one. This profile is temperature per hour. Okay, it means when I select this profile, this automatically will record after 1 hour one reading. But this profile you can change it. How you can change it? Okay, I say next. Once I go to next, they say description is temperature per hour, log point, okay, path, whatever there next. Then here it's defined, because you select a profile, it will say per hour reading. That's why you have a 1 hour here. If it is mentioned in the sheet, you have to do a logging at 1 minute. Okay, you have to select 1 minute here. Okay, if it is mentioned at 1 second, you have to do it 1 second. Okay. Then it says my log interval is 1 hour, but I want to keep this log for 106 weeks. Understand what I'm trying to say? It means at every hour do the recording for how long? For 2 years. Okay, every hour. So rather than in the lab, I don't have a time for you to keep a record for 1 hour. It may be asked for 1 minute or may be asked in 10 seconds. So you can change accordingly. How you change it? Rather than 1 minute, you just mention 10 seconds. You just switch over to second. Then it is asked for only 1 week or 2 weeks. You can select. You just have to key in 1 week. Okay. Or 1 day, how long you want it is take, whatever is there, you have to take it there. This is already mentioned here. Okay, if it is not mentioned that how long the space is there, okay, it is just mentioned interval. Take the interval of 10 seconds, do some recording. Once the recording is done, okay, it is asked that okay, take down the last 5 values based on your recording, or latest 5 values. How we do it? Now I am doing a recording of 10 seconds, correct? I just said next, okay, and then next, finish. I will do one more time again, okay. So you will see you have a log temperature, log chart here. For us is temperature. Let's wait for 10 or 20 seconds. Then we will click here. What's the difference between this and